Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about SQL constraints example. SQL constraints are used to specify rules for the data in a table. If there is any violation between the constraint and the data action, that means create, insert or delete, the action is aborted by the constraint. Constraints can be specified when the table is created or after the table created. In SQL we have the following basic constraints. Not null indicates that a column cannot store null value. Unique ensures that each row for a column must have unique value. Primary key, a combination of a not null and unique, and primary key ensures that a column have an unique identity which helps to find a particular record in a table. Foreign key ensures a referential integrity of the data in one table to match the value in the another table. For example, student and student address. So you want to maintain a relationship between these two tables. So the student's primary key will be a foreign key in the student table. Let's see what is the constraint using an example. So I'm going to create a table called student with 7 columns, and I'm going to add a very basic constraint called not null to one of the columns. So last name, I'm telling, this is like a rule. I'm telling last name don't allow null value. I want to repeat that. For last name column, database don't allow null value. That's what I'm trying to say here. So this is a constraint. This is one of the basic constraint, not null. So I have added a constraint here. So I'm going to create a table. So this rule will be added to this column. So what happens when I try to insert any row with null value, it will throw an error. So if you see, we are going to test that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a row in the student table with null value for the last name column. So if you see a second column, I'm going to insert this with null value. It should exactly throw an error. It should not allow. Yes, we got an error. It says column last name cannot accept a null value. Okay, we are trying to insert null value for the last name, but there is a constraint called not null. That's why it says last name cannot accept a null value. So how do I solve this problem? Don't give null value, because there is a rule always checking internally in the database. So don't give that. So give a proper value. Now it looks like it is inserted. Let's see. Yes, so now it is inserted properly. The moment you give null, it gave an error. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.